You know they say in life that maybe bad things come in threes, but in my case maybe fours. Like falling in a river, or tripping up over a trig point, or your cameraman smashing up your drone, or being chased by a deer. Did that stop me from going in the mountains? Or what do you think? Morning from Applecross. So I'm just leaving the B road, the one that goes over at Applecross. It's about, what, 9 o'clock, early November, and it's about 8 degrees. So up there is Beinn Bhan, quite a way up there yet. So I'm going to follow this track for quite a while before it skirts west. Okay, get going. Well, so far so good. Good track it is. Easy going. Some of the mountains over at Torridon. Nice and clear where I'm going. I think I opened my mouth too soon about this track being nice going. Starting to bog now. Total November. Looking good. Looking very good. Wow. Can't wait to get up there. So as I made my way up the track, I remember thinking to myself how lucky I was to have such good weather on my last day in Scotland. So I'm up onto the plateau now, and look at this for a view. Look at these. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to head off up that way now. Spectacular cliffs. Now I'm caught in two minds whether to go up that way, up that there, or to go right up that Liathach there, and then cut the ridge onto the summit. So I'll play by ear. I'll just get over here. Now I've decided to go up here. That looks pretty steep, but there's some really smart waterfalls up here, so I'm just going to go and have a look at them before I go that way. Okay. And so as I made my way through the quarry, I spotted what I thought was a cairn, so I was off to go and investigate. Just a bit in shade here. Unusual place for a shelter. Look at this. You get caught short. Well, I didn't get caught short, but I stopped in there for a drink and a shelter, and then after that made my way into the quarry. God, it's like walking into a wind tunnel. Look at this. I couldn't resist coming in this quarry. So, I mean, look at it. So I'm going to climb up here, get some views, and then drop down over the back. Oh, wow, that was steep. Look at that. It'll be worth it once I get up there. And was it worth it? Was it worth it? That was an understatement. Look at this. All Torridon Mountains. Got Beinn Alligin over there, and then Beinn Dearg. That's what I did yesterday, that Alligin. Liath Ridge. And Beinn Eighe side of it. Over there you got Beinn Liathach and Scgorr Ruadh. Look at this. Well worth it. You can see where I came up this morning, past this loch. Okay, big push up over there now. Now as I walked along the ridge, anyway, I had to drop down to the right hand corrie and pick up a path for Beinn Bhan. I was on top of there. I've come along this ridge. I must be mad. I've been falling about all over. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that is steep. Oh, I'm nearly there now. Oh, looking back, good views, eh? Okay, get stuck in. Wait, get the party hats out. I've got up. Look at this for a view. All the way down to Applecross. Sun's glaring right towards me, so that's Isle of Skye over there. And the Coolins. You might not see it with the sun shining towards us in the west. I can't do aught about that. So hopefully it'll come out okay. What a place. Okay, trick point's up there now. Showing you these steep cliffs. Very dangerous in winter. That's where I came up. It's a bit blowy, but we're here. Hey! At last. So I'll just get a 360, but the sun's blinding over Isle of Skye. Go right to the sun there. That's Isle of Skye there. So I'm turning it right round back over to Torridon Mountains. Whoa, Liath Ridge, Beinn Alligin, all of them. And with the late afternoon sun going down over the Isle of Skye, I decided to wait for a glorious sunset. Look at that for a view, Isle of Skye, with sun going down. Absolutely stunning view. Pink tinge on the Torridon Mountains. And with the sun setting over the Isle of Skye, I knew it was time to leave beautiful Applecross, but I will be back. Well, it's been another great day. It's a little bit sad that I have to go home now, but I've done a lot of filming up Scotland. So I'd say thanks again for watching, and I really hope you've enjoyed this video. So I've got to go down this Beinn. You can see it's going dark now, and then drop down onto the road. So I'll leave you with a stunning view of the cooling with the sun setting behind. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you hopefully on the next one. So it's goodbye from Scotland and Applecross.